Hello friends, ketal job ni notification atoboi hastini jobs YouTube channel no rajutna lamsogo fighting ke sangtini kaisa ketal job ni notification nalenai notification akorka Government of Tripura National Health Mission Tripura State Health and Family Welfare Society ni bisingtei 3 October 2023 tarigano o notification akorka o post langjaknai under National Health Mission Tripura Modern Psychiatric Hospital na tilangjaknai working interview ni bisingtina 11 month ni bagai contractual basis tilangjaknai 11 month ni poriyo norokni performance nai no tebisa rejoining khlai rejaknai norokno fighting ke sang post category wise vacancies ni details nalenai chini S3 ni bagai vacancies tongnai content post ni bagai vacancies ekta tongnai chini S3 ni bagai inke clinical psychologist ni bagai ekta tongnai counselor post ni bagai chini S3 ni 4ta vacancies tongnai data entry operator post ni bagai chini S3 ni ekta vacancies tongnai fighting ke sang post ni bagai qualification ni details nalenai consultant post ni bagai qualification ke MD NDA in psychiatry tain master degree khaijanai kenara post ni psychiatry tain diploma khaijatong ke kenara post ni bagai application khaimanai clinical psychologist post ni bagai qualification ke clinical psychology tain MPhil eba PhD khaijatong ke kenara post ni bagai application khaimanai counselor post ni bagai clinical psychology social work MA Sociology te Psychology te na master khajatong ke nara post ni bagai application khaimano data entry operator post ni bagai NELIT ni computer science diploma khaijak nangnai application submission khaina bagai ora address jak tongo nara physically thangai na application submit ma khainai the office of head of the department modern psychiatry hospital nursing nara o address thangai na application joma marinai application submit ma khainai 6 October ni simi 20 October jora nara application submission khaimano application ni logi oro documents ni details jak tongo nara kaham khenai nai di notification na ang video ni description rinai te nara video ni description thani kaham khenai di ge selection process ke oro maximum score 100 mark ni tongnai 50 mark ke API te 50 mark ke interview eba viva voice na khaijaknai working interview ni thangpor narok ni original documents na tilangai ma thangnai working interview ni bagai date time te venue ke oro national health mission ni website jak tongo o website na publish kharinai ni sajak friends omoka application form na video ni description na notification na manai notification na ang video ni description na rinai inke friends nora nogoi mankana national health mission ni bisingtei ketal job ni notification omhai ketal job ni notification na bagai hastini jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai support khai di tei nora ketal job ni notification nogoi mannai।